Now, in the backdrop of rising COVID-19 cases across the country, 2 lakh mark that it's crossed, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will now be interacting with the Chief Ministers of States at 12:30 p.m. to take stock of COVID situation and the ongoing vaccination drive here. The meeting will be held virtually, and as per official sources, the Prime Minister will discuss issues that different states are currently facing in their fight against COVID-19. The last time Prime Minister Modi held an interaction with the Chief Ministers was back in January, before the vaccination drive commenced. Now, the country has been witnessing an uptick in daily COVID-19 case count, largely fueled by spike in 5 states, including Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now, these states alone account for nearly 90% of the active cases in India itself. Let me quickly cut across to Milind Sharma joining us live from Delhi to give us an understanding on why exactly are we looking at a spike in cases. Milind, we do know that doctors have said time and again the public's carefree attitude, not adhering to COVID protocols on ground, leading to a spike in COVID-19 cases yet again. We're seeing almost a second round or a second wave that we could call it, but no declaration by doctors as yet that this could be a second wave, but it's worrisome. Prime Minister Modi also now to be chairing a meet with chief ministers. What's expected to be discussed?
Well, the Prime Minister will chair this meeting at around 12:30 with CMs or chief ministers of all states, because we are not just looking at spikes in 3 major states that are being mentioned at this point of time, which is Maharashtra, Kerala and Punjab, but there are also states like Gujarat, Karnataka, as well as Tamil Nadu that are witnessing a surge in COVID-19 cases. India recorded more than 26,000 cases in 24 hours just yesterday. And of course, about 88% of these cases were contributed by the first 6 states, as I just mentioned. And of course, there has been a letter that has been written by the Chief Secretary, Union Health Ministry, to the Chief Secretary of the state of Maharashtra, saying that Maharashtra could be at the beginning of the second wave in the country. And waves, as earlier pointed out by experts, will be based on what states do to make containment strategies stronger. And the rise in cases is certainly an issue at this point of time. India was doing very good with containing the spread of the COVID-19 some months ago, but suddenly we have seen spikes in the month of March, and which is why the Prime Minister will speak to states individually, asking them on their feedback related to the vaccination drive that has been done by many states now. There are good performing states as well as those that need to pull up their socks when it comes to vaccinating people, and all that will be discussed with the Prime Ministers and the Chief Ministers at 12:30.
Thank you very much, Milind, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.